Hello student, I hope you are doing well. I am Pramod Chand Joshi from HMJ SB Inter College. Today we will start chapter 2 fraction and decimal exercise 2.5 of class 7. So which is greater? This one 0.5 or 0.05. So when first we will compare the whole part of both the decimal fraction is 0. So we will compare after decimal part of here, the leftmost digit after decimal is here 5 and here 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, so 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now this part you can do by your own. I am doing this part. Here whole part is 7 and whole part is here 0. So 7 is greater than 0. 7 is greater than 0. So 7 is greater than 0.07. Now this you can do by your own. Here whole part is 1 and after decimal part here leftmost place of decimal after decimal is here 3, here is 4. So this will be greater than this. 0.3 is less than 0.3 is less than 4, then 1.37 is less than 1.47. This part you can do by your own. See this part. Here whole part is 0 and after decimal here is 8 and there is no, you can write here 0. So first place first digit after decimal leftmost digit 8, here is also 8 and next digit here 0 and here is 8. So this is greater than this. Since 0 is less than 8, so 0.8 is less than 0.88. Now question number 2, express as rupees using decimals. So first of all you should learn 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 paisa equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So now we will change this 7 paise into rupees. See here, if we want to change paise into rupees, so we will divide by 100. 7 upon 100 rupee. That is, when we divide by 100 any number, we will shift 2 place decimal right to left. That is 0.07 rupee. This is, we will shift 2 place decimal. Now here 7 rupees 7 paise. 7 rupees is already 7 paise. We will divide by 100. 7 rupee. 7 upon 100 rupee. 7 rupees plus, when we will divide likewise 0.07 rupee. That is 7, we will add 7.07 rupees. Now 77 rupees plus 77 paise. 77 rupees plus 77 upon 100 rupee. Then 77 rupees plus, when we will divide by 100, we will shift 2 place decimal from right to left. 0.77 rupee. That is 77.77 rupee. Now 50 paise, 50 upon 100, that is 0.50 rupee. Now 235 paise, 235 upon 100 rupee. Now 200, we will shift 2 place decimal, 2.35, 2 place, we will shift 2 place decimal rupees. Dear student, we will do question number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meters and kilometers And second question is express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. It is very difficult to learn the measurement to meter, to change meter into kilometer or centimeter into meter, centimeter into kilometer, millimeter into centimeters, millimeter into kilometer, or hectometer into decameter, meter into decimeter, centimeter into or millimeter into kilometer. First of all, you will learn how we will change these unit, these unit. So you will learn from here upwards. Decahectokilometer, decahectokilometer, this is upwards. Deci centi millimeter, deci centi millimeter, decahectokilometer, deci centi millimeter, decahectokilometer. Now when we will go upwards, we will multiply. मीटर को अगर हमने डेकामीटर में चेंज करना है, we will divide. When we will go upwards, we will divide. When we will come downwards, we will divide. Every step by 10. Suppose we want to change kilometer into hectometer, so we will multiply by 1 because we are coming downwards. Downwards, we will multiply by 10. Suppose we want to change kilometer into decameter, so 1 step, 2 step, we will multiply by 100, 100. Suppose we want to change kilometer into meter, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, it means 30. 1 step, for 1 step 10, 2 step 20, 3 step 30, we will multiply by 30. And for upwards, 1 step, for 1 step 10, for 2 step 100, 3 step 1000, 4 step 10,000. जितने स्टेप जाएंगे उतने जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 के आगे, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. अब नाउ वी विल चेंज, हाउ वी विल चेंज upwards, millimeter to centimeter, so we will divide by 10. We will divide by 10. Suppose we want to change millimeter into decimeter, we will divide by 10, 100, 1 step, 2 step, 100. Suppose we want to change millimeter into meter, we will divide by 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, that is 1000. We can change into, this is deca, we can read as liter. Suppose we want to measure something in liter, suppose we want to measure milk in liter, so we will say deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Suppose we want to change here decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. Suppose we want to weight something, sugar or something, rice, so we will change to gram. Gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Understand? For downwards, we will multiply by 10 in each step. For upwards, we will divide by 10 in each step. 10 or 1 step 10, for 2 step 100, and 3 step 1000, for 4 step 10,000. Likewise. So now see how we are doing the question. Now we have 5 centimeter, we want to change into meter. 5 centimeter and we want to change into meter. So 1 step, 2 step, 2 step upwards, so we will divide by 10, 100, 2 step for and divide by 100, 5 upon 100. So it is very easy to divide by 100. We can shift 2 place decimal right to left. This is, suppose we want to change centimeter into kilometer. Centimeter is this and kilometer is this. And how many step? Count. How many step? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. 50. You will divide by upwards. It is upwards, so you will divide by 50. 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 and 5 upon. When you will divide by 1 lakh, you will shift 5 place decimal to right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 place इतने kilometer. Is that clear? Now express 35 millimeter into centimeter meter. 35 mm millimeter into meter also. Meter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Suppose you want to change millimeter into centimeter. Millimeter into centimeter. One step upwards. So you will divide by 10. 35 upon 10. That is, you will shift one place right to left, one place decimal. 3.5 centimeter. Now, this is 35 millimeter to meter. Millimeter to meter. One step, two step, three step. You will divide by 1000. 35 upon 1000. So you will shift decimal 3 place. 1, 2, 3, 0 are here. You will shift 3 place decimal right to left. 5, 3, 0, 0.035 meter. Suppose you want to change 35 millimeter into kilometer. Now how many steps you are going upwards? How many steps you are going upwards? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step and 6 step. One step from here, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. So you will divide by 35 upon 10 lakh. So you will shift 6 place decimal. Now question number 4, express in kg. So now here we are using gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. So decigram, centigram, milligram we will use. Now we want to change gram into gram here. Gram is here. Gram into kilogram. Kilogram is this. One step, two step, three step. 3 step upwards. So we will divide by 1000. 3 step we will divide by 1000. So we will divide by 1000. 1 upon 1000 kg, that is 200 gram. 200 upon 1000, that is we will shift 3 place decimal from right to left. 1, 2, 3 इतने kg or 0.2 kg you can write. Here 3470 gram into kilogram. Gram into kilogram. So 3 step. 3470 upon 1000. We will shift 3 place decimal from right to left. 4703 kg. Now 4 kg is already here, plus 8 gram we will change into kilogram. This is kg, kilogram. Now 4 kg. Now 1000, 8 upon 1000 kilogram. We will divide by 1000. Plus, when we will divide by 1000, we will shift 3 place decimal right to left. 0.008, 3 place, 1, 2, 3 kg. Then we will add 4.008 kg. Now question number 5. Write the following decimal number in expanded form. So you know how to write expanded form in whole numbers. This number 2 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by, this is ones place, so 1 plus this is 10th place. 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10. This is 100th place. So 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. This is expanded form. Now you can write this. You can do this by your own and this by your own. And I will do this question for you. 2 multiplied by 1. See, this is 1st place and this is 10th place. 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10. This is 100th place. So 0, 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. This is 1000th place. So plus 4 multiplied by 1000. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. 2.56, 21.37, 10.25, 9.42, 63.352. When we write the place value before decimal, so ones, tens, thousand, 10,000 likewise. When we write after decimal, first 2 tens, 5 hundreds, here 3 tens, 5 hundreds, 2,000 like this. So we will write here first 2 multiplied by place value of 2 is 10, 1, 2, that is 2 ones. Here the place value of 2 is 2 multiplied by 10, that is 2 tens. Here the place value of 2 is 2 tens. So 2 tens. We will write 2 tens. 1 upon 10, 2 tens. Place value of 2 is here 1, 2. 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths. Place value of 2 is here 2 into 1, 2, 3, 10,000. 2 thousands. It is here decimal part, not whole part. So we will write here tenth, not tens. Here, because here 2 tens, because 2 tens is here. Here we will write tenth, 100, 1000, like. Now question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? You will find who traveled more and by how much. Dinesh covered question number. This is question number 7. Dinesh covered distance. Dinesh covered distance A to B and B to C. AB plus BC. That is AB is here 7.5 plus 12.7. This is kilometer. You can add 7, 5, 12 and 2 plus 7, 9 plus 10, 1 plus 2, 20.2 kilometer. And Ayub traveled, Ayub covered distance covered by Ayub equal to AD plus DC. That is 9.3 plus this is kilometer plus 11.8 kilometer. When we will add 8 plus 3, 11, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, that is 2, 1.1 kilometer. Now 21.1 kilometer is more than 20.2 kilometer, and Ayu covered more distance. Ayu covered more distance by kitna? You will subtract from this to this. 21.2 minus 21.1 minus 20.2. You will take carry 11 minus 2, that is 9. That is 0.09 kilometer. Ayu covered more distance by 0.9 kilometer. Now question number 8. Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Total fruit bought by Sarla. Total fruit fruits bought by Shyama. Shyama equal to 5 kg 300 gram, 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. You will add 0, 5, 5, 8 kg gram. Total fruits bought by. Next is Sarla equal to 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. You will add 0, 5, 9, 8 kg 950 gram. Who bought more fruits? Since 8 kg 950 gram is more than 8 kg 550 gram, so Sarla brought more food. Sarla bought more foods. Now question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? You will subtract 28 kilometer from 42.6 kilometer. You will find the answer. Please, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.